Hey guys, so I'm coming to you with nothing on my face because I want to show you how I use the Hydrinity Restorative Mask. Now, I realized I've talked about like almost all of the Hydrinity products, and I don't think I ever actually talked to you guys about the benefits of the Hydrinity mask, what the mask is made out of, and the ingredients included. Like it just says hydration, restorative mask. Like what does that mean? So I wanted to tell you a little bit about it, especially since right now we're running a Hydrinity promotion till midnight, and this is such a fantastic mask. I mean, we have so many masks, but this one definitely stands out, and the first reason is because of what the mask is made out of, which is biocellulose. So biocellulose, this mask will come to you sterile, it'll come to you toxin free, and also the way this mask is made is it's super tightly woven. And that just means that all of the amazing ingredients that are in this serum is actually only infused into your skin, because if you have a sheet mask and it's not tightly woven, all of the ingredients, instead of only penetrating your skin, actually starts to evaporate out of the mask. So you are getting all of the serum that is in this. You're gonna have a prevention of serum or hydration loss from the mask, and it's all going to your skin. I specifically love these masks post workout, post like winter sports, post sun exposure, or for somebody like me who, has rosacea, you need something for calming, or you just have really dull skin. And that's not so much because of what the mask is made of, but that's because of the ingredients. So let's go ahead and talk about what is in this. And so Hydrinity is known for their hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, and all of their products have it, and it's injectable grade. But one key thing to know about this mask is that it is not injectable grade, but that's totally fine. So the difference between hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is in this mask, and then regular hyaluronic acid is hydrolyzed hyaluronic is a derivative of hyaluronic acid. And its key functions is that it stimulates your skin's own natural antibacterial properties, also reinforces your skin's natural immune support, and it boosts cellular repair, and it works in the epidermis. And then hyaluronic acid helps to actually just lay a layer of hydration over the skin, and it creates a barrier so that your skin becomes hydrated because it completely protects the skin's barrier from evaporation or transepidermal water loss. So you're getting a lot more skin health besides just hydration with hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid, which is why when you use Hydrinity products, your skin not only is healthier because of the immune support, it's glowier because of all the hydration. It helps with a lot of different like acne issues because it's antibacterial, and your skin just looks so good. And you're getting all of that in this sheet mask. Well, that's not the only ingredient. This has a ton of other anti-aging and skin health benefits, including antioxidants. So this also has an infusion of antioxidants such as willow herb extract. It also has an ingredient that I really love, and you can also find in a lot of the osmosis serums, which is chlorella, which is a growth factor-like ingredient. So it's great for rejuvenation, it's great for calming, it's great for inflammation, and it's just great for overall skin health. This also has pre and postbiotics that are going to help the microbiome of your skin. So you're getting like a full service treatment in one mask. And then of course this has ceramides, which are going to condition the skin, properly moisturize it, lock in all of that hydration we're infusing. It also has allantoin, which is great for helping with inflammation as well as skin texture. So basically what I'm saying is you're going to peel this off and your skin is going to be glowy, it's going to be hydrated, it's going to be smooth, it's going to be calm, the reduction of redness, and it's going to be so properly hydrated and moisturized. So let me actually just go ahead and show you how to put this on. So basically what I'm saying is when you peel this off, your skin is going to be hydrated, it's going to be dewy, it's going to be glowy, it's going to be healthier because of that immune and microbiome support. And like because of the texture improvement and the reduction in inflammation, like you're just gonna look so good. So let me go ahead and show you how I do this. Now the first thing I do is I always just do a quick cleanse first, and these are the Hydropeptide Hydroactive cleanse. A lot of you guys probably know I travel with these as well. I also keep a pack of these in my car. I've been going to the sauna a lot lately, and I was getting like little breakouts, which you might be able to see, and I realized that, and I didn't know, when you go to the sauna, of course you're releasing a lot of salt because you're sweating so much, and if you don't cleanse that off immediately after, the buildup of salt can cause a little bit of breakouts. So I've been keeping these in my car and I love them. This is probably like my 900th pack and my like third open pack. I like love these micellar wipes. They feel good, they have antioxidants as well, and they are just a great pre-cleanse or just a great cleanse for if you're doing something like this. Get this, and I don't have anything on my face right now, so it's not like super dirty by any means, but we're basically putting on a sterile mask, so I just like to, you know, do all I can to keep that as healthy, and like went right over my vocal cords. Just to, you know, keep that sterile process, antibacterial thing going. Okay, so, and of course, let me just wipe off my fingertips too. And I'm gonna put my hair up. Okay, we're just gonna open this. Poured like half the serum out of the bag by accident. Okay, and this is your biocellulose, so tightly woven, sterile, toxin free, and it comes with this little plastic piece on top. Masque will come with these protective layers, so one's a mesh and one's like a piece of plastic, which can help to also apply it too, but I'll take mine off. So come to find out, I'm way better at putting this on people than myself without a mirror. Walk around with this. You can do whatever you want. You can just lay down. You can put this on in the bathtub. You can do whatever you want. And I always just kind of like move some of that extra serum. And there's some in the bag too. And you can put that extra serum wherever you want. But the next thing I do, covered this box in serum. I just grab this out of my freezer. That's where I keep it. I keep the whole entire box in there. These are the Epicutis Ice Globes. These are like the best, like the easiest invention ever, but the best. And let me tell you why these are superior to any other ice globes. Okay, these actually rotate 360 degrees, which you don't think is important until you are trying to use these either on somebody else or yourself. And I also really love that no globe has ever given me are these little kickstands, so they stay clean, but you can still wipe them down before you start with like your cleansing pad. And these actually can go I don't think really a lot of people realize, but a lot of these can't even go in the freezer, and these can. So a lot of people have to keep their like ice globes in the fridge, and I'm like, no. Okay, so I'm gonna give my skin a quick little ice blast. It's gonna help so much with redness. It helps with circulation, helps with like stagnant lymph, and it just feels so good. Okay, I'm gonna do this really quick off camera because while I'm talking, I'm actually like moving this down. Don't want that. So I'm infusing antioxidants, allantoins, so ceramides, hydrolyzed hyaluronic acid. I look crazy. All this good stuff into my skin, and I'm gonna be so glowy for nobody. I have nothing to do today. I probably should have did this in front of like an actual mirror so I could see what was happening instead of in front of this like bright window, so the lighting's actually decent. Hopefully you guys get the gist. So good. You can even, again, if you have like really dry lips, plaster, or if you're an esthetician, plaster that over your client's lips. Okay, after you remove it, your skin is gonna have a ton of extra serum, especially if you're already like very hydrated. And you can, with clean hands, shouldn't have just touched my hair, but don't do that at home. You can then give yourself a little facial massage with it and really get that product to penetrate. So you can do little C's like this. You can do circles. It's so nice around your eyes to just move that lymph around. You can do some upward motions. I really like using my thumbs too. Really just helps with like definition. Until all of that has worked in. This was supposed to be a really quick video, so I hope after 45,000 minutes, now you guys know why I love these hydrating face masks, why they are just so much more than hydration. And yes, let me know if you have any questions. Again, those are the Hydrinity hydrating rejuvenating face masks. I also used the ice globes with it, and yeah, see you guys next time.